So I thought I would show a little bit of a close-up of the rear bench seat kind of framing outside of the boat. It's all encapsulated now, and I thought I'd show just a little bit how I did it, a little bit more detail. So on either side, those will actually be storage because the seat bottoms will go here and here. If you remember, the stringers go right through here, so there'll be a little bit of storage on each side. And just kind of show how I made these little frame things that where the hinges are mounted for the seat to the seat back to connect to. So, and then I've got these little feet here. Give me a second, I'll turn that over. So here are these little feet that hold on the outer side, outer edges. And I've got them on both sides, and it looks like I've got a couple little epoxy drips I need to rub off there. There are a few drips that are on the bottom side of a few of these, but I don't think I'm going to worry about that because that will be on the underside. So this is the bottom side, so it won't show at all. But yeah, encapsulating, it takes several rounds and things, especially for a piece like this. You can't do it all at once. And so I'll show what this looks like again in the boat once I get it all put back in with the seat back. And also, this is the center support, in which actually is in the front of the seat. You can see how I did this. The reason I did it this way, I wanted to make it relatively simple to build it, but I wanted the support right in line with that instead of just having a piece screwed going all the way up. But this piece just stabilizes that. I mean, obviously there are more elegant ways to do that, but and I did a similar thing with these little feet too. So I wanted all the support along this vertical, and then that just stabilizes it. So yes, there are better ways to do that, but so that's what that looks like. And then on the back for support again, yeah, I may have to get rid of some of those. I've got a piece in the boat actually that will rest on. I'll show that here. Oops. It's that piece right there. And so that'll take the load of the center of the seat in the back. My plan was the next time that I did a video showing my rear bench seat, we just showed in the boat and how it all fits in there, and I ran into a problem. So these seat bottoms, showing this one here, these, put this up. So these pieces are meant to fit inside of this, where that's framed out. Well, when I put the epoxy on, when I encapsulated these, when I encapsulate, I really slob it around there, especially parts that aren't going to really show. And so it got a little thick, so now this doesn't fit down in here. I didn't leave myself enough margin. I thought I did, but so now it will not go down in there. So what I'm going to have to do is, let me flip this over, is I'm going to have to make some kind of a jig with my router and run my router. What I'll do is I'll flip this frame over and see where the problem is, and I'm going to have to run my router on this outside edge wherever it's too wide, and route that out. So that'll be fun, and then I'll have to re-encapsulate it. So that's the situation, unfortunately. And so both, one side will fit squeezed down in there, but I might still route a couple of those edges depending on where it is. I forget which one actually will fit. Maybe it's this one that will actually go down in, but this one won't. So anyway, a little more rework. So that is the story on that. So I'll provide another update at some point showing how I fix that.